Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off quick ad on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off quick ad on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app. And over here guys, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a Bitmoji icon. Tap over there. And when you land on this interface guys, again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the settings or the gear icon and scroll down over here until you can find the privacy control. And you can see guys, in the privacy control there is see me in quick ad option available just below the comment setting. Tap on see me in quick ad, and over here guys, if your account or on your account there is a tick mark like this, your account will be on quick ad for everybody. But if you want to turn off the quick ad for your account, tap on that tick mark and your account will not be suggested on quick ad for many persons. So with that being said guys, this is how you turn off quick ad on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.